The uncertainty of the U.S. presidential election triggered increased interest in the most prominent U.S. stocks, including Amazon, saw the best ever post-election rally. So who is the real winner? Aside from politics, it's Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who got the biggest gain of $10.5 billion according to Bloomberg. Today, we will check out 7 Amazon stock price predictions. Number 7. Amazon stock price prediction after the hectic election week. The U.S. stock market leaped higher on the news of Joe Biden's victory and in anticipation of a divided government. The presidency of Joe Biden increases the likelihood of more economic stimulus and more peaceful trade relations, while the Republican-controlled Senate could block stricter regulations and tax hikes. The biggest winner of the post-election week were tech stocks, including Amazon, as investors considered a likely divided Congress as a protection against antitrust regulation. The Amazon stock projection spiked on Wednesday, November 4, 2020, just the day after the U.S. elections, as investors' fears waned on burdensome tech sector regulation. Always expanding in scope and size, Amazon has always been a huge target. Even under Joe Biden's presidency, the Republican-controlled Senate, yet to be decided, would impede Democrats from limiting powers of the largest tech companies. This positive sentiment, supported by Amazon's strong fundamentals and bullish technical analysts, makes investors view the Amazon stock as an attractive investment. Number 6. Stock price forecast. Amazon enters 2021 with plenty of big opportunities, from its traditional business of e-commerce and cloud computing services to newer markets such as grocery delivery and pharmacy services. The 44 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Amazon.com Inc. have a medium target of $4,000, with a high estimate of $5,200 and a low estimate of $3,420. The medium estimate represents a plus 19.31% increase from the last price of $3,352.48. Amazon.com is consolidating within the rising trend. We maintain a positive view as long as support 2,871, bottom of September 25, 2020, remains intact. Resistance awaits around 3,552.25. Peak of September 4, 2020. Number 5. Amazon stock in 2021. Although the share has increased significantly in recent years, Amazon was named one of the most innovative companies in the world by Forbes. Not only is the number of products sold growing strongly, but the cloud division is also showing double-digit growth. Amazon has since grown into one of the largest cloud providers in the world. Amazon has also expanded its portfolio with a video service and released a massive budget of $4.5 billion to invest in unique content in the coming years to draw viewers to Amazon Prime Video. Sales in 2020 will be approximately $380 billion. This cumulative growth also appears to continue in the coming years. With a market capitalization of approximately $1,660 million and a PE of 90, the stock seems shockingly expensive. If we take the profit of 2021, this valuation drops again to approximately 59, so this growth also justifies the valuation. Number 4. Amazon stock price predictions. What do experts say? What trends are the industry experts predicting for Amazon in 2021? Let's find out. Amazon has already become a pay-to-play platform. To sell and rank your products on Amazon, you need to pay for advertising. Unlike many other platforms, Amazon offers advertisers something irresistible, a closed loop that shows how effective every dollar they spend is, as well as more than 2 decades of insight on the actual buying habits of consumers, rather than just their web browsing practices. In 2021, I predict Amazon will be releasing new features at an even faster rate, comments Danny Carlson, an Amazon e-com expert specializing in PPC management and listing optimization, who founded the agency Kenji ROI. Bloomberg is also very rosy about Amazon stocks, predicting a one-year return of 68.65%. Similar thoughts come from Lazar Zempinik, who has been working on PPC for over a decade, today founder of Sellers Alley. In 2021, Amazon will focus more on improving its ad platform, just like it did with sponsored display ads, and adding new price targeting options for brand-registered sellers. Selling anything possible on Amazon's web estate has been a priority for a long time, according to Will Jernlin, who has been selling on Amazon since 2013 and is the co-founder of GOAT Consulting. Number 3. Long-term Amazon stock price prediction 2025 to 2030. According to Gary Gagliardi, founder and CEO at the Science of Strategy Institute, in 2021, the Amazon stock price will go over $3,000, but the market in general will be weaker during that year. By 2025, Amazon stock price should reach $5,000, and by 2028, it will most likely hit above $10,000. Suppose Amazon is broken into several smaller companies. You can double or triple all these values. The individual companies will grow better as independent companies than they will as part of a very, very large, diversified company. Keep in mind that such long-term price forecasts are indicative. Estimates for such a long time are very approximate, and those Amazon stock forecasts certainly cannot be considered as investment advice. Number 2. Amazon Stock Technical Analyst. In the stock market, timing is critical. So when you're looking for stocks to buy or sell, it's important to do the fundamental and technical analysis that identifies lower risk entry points that also offer solid potential rewards. The IBD stock checkup tool shows that Amazon stock has an IBD composite rating of 84. The rating means Amazon stock currently outperforms 84% of all stocks in terms of the most important fundamental and technical stock picking criteria. However, its relative strength rating is a weak 47. The rating tracks market leadership by showing how a stock's price movement over the last 52 weeks measures up against that of other stocks. Ideally, look for stocks with a rating of 80 or higher. Amazon currently has an accumulation distribution rating of D-. That rating analyzes price and volume changes in a stock over the past 13 weeks of trading. A grade of A signals heavy institutional buying. The lowest rating of E means heavy selling. Think of the C grade as neutral. Number 1. Are Amazon stocks a good investment? Calling Amazon a top share in e-commerce doesn't get you points for originality. Investors who have bought the stock at almost any point in its publicly traded history have made a crushing return. Now is still a great time to buy Amazon stock. Amazon currently controls about half of the U.S. business-to-consumer e-commerce market. The company is also building a fast-growing position in an industry parallel to online retail, digital advertising. There is a significant overlap in the technology and data needed to move e-commerce, cloud computing, and digital advertising companies forward, making Amazon stronger as a whole. The company can also be seen as an early leader in potentially revolutionary trends, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. Investors should still exercise caution when it comes to Amazon stock. 2020 was an unprecedented year in many ways. It's possible that in 2021, the e-commerce specialist has a tough time living up to strong year-ago revenue comparisons, thanks to lockdowns that boosted sales in 2020. Currently, analysts are modeling for 18% sales growth in 2021. If analysts are overly optimistic, however, the market could punish the stock. Despite this near-term risk, the company's strong business momentum and the impressive scalability its business model demonstrated in 2020 ultimately make the stock a buy at this level. in my opinion. Consider also the analyst recommendations and news about the issuer, but remember that in most cases, they affect the Amazon stock price in the short term and do not always reflect the real state of affairs in the company. Do let us know in the comments what you think of Amazon stock. Please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.